Delivering the sermon at the well-attended service, the preacher, Reverend Lovetangbayo, said a true leader is one that serves selflessly and humbly while accommodating others and stays true to the service of God.
Example of service. And Jesus before, be humble, he get power, he get saved. But now for let the scriptures be fulfilled, he humble himself. To the point where then man say, "Oh, I mean, and Jesus, get power. You why there? I know you for himself." The man he know what he do.
The service was later spiced up with the annual Diocesan Men's Union Man of the Year competition Thanksgiving service, in which Joshua Wright of the Bishop Elwin Memorial Anglican Church at Macaulay Street was crowned the 2026 Diocesan Men's Union Man of the Year. According to the union's president, Prince Macaulay, the African and Diocesan Men's Union Man of the Year competition Thanksgiving service embodies the principles of compassion and service and inspired by the teachings of Jesus Christ as they continue to strive to mirror his example. He went on that with their motto, following where the Master trod, and that Master is Jesus, the Union will continue to extend a helping hand to the needy in and outside the church. The Diocesan Men's Union is a body under the Anglican Diocese of Freetown, committed to supporting the church through men's fellowship, prayer, praise, and thanksgiving. It comprises men from various Anglican congregations within the diocese and has become renowned not only for its fellowship but also for addressing pressing social needs. SLBC Dennis Fraser reporting.